Throughout this course and when working with ChatGPT, you will have the situation from time to time that the output generated by ChatGPT is beyond its token limit. So it simply can't generate the entire output and the output generation will just stop. An example would be this text here that I prepared, or that ChatGPT prepared to be more precise. If I tell ChatGPT to translate this text to German, French, and Spanish, for example, then ChatGPT starts with the translation. But at this point here, the output generation stops. As mentioned, this is due to the token limit that limits the length of the output that a ChatGPT response can have. You cannot change this limit, but you can just continue the output at the position where it stopped in the next output. You only have to type continue, and now ChatGPT will continue exactly at the position where it stopped the output generation in the last response it provided. So here this happens again, so we can again type continue. And so we get the full translation of this text into the 3 languages. So no matter if you're working with text or with code or whatever in ChatGPT, this always works, so keep this in mind for later modules and for your own projects.